Hello, sir.
Hello.
मिशन वॉक हार्टली वेलकम्स यू।
Thank you.
और ये जो वर्कशॉप है 2 दिन का वर्कशॉप फाइनली आपने ये चीज़ ख़त्म कर दिया। प्लीज़ आप ऑडियंस को बता सकते हैं कि आपका नाम क्या है और आप कहाँ से आए?
My name is Dr. Pradeep and I am from Badavath, Haryana.
Okay.
I am currently practicing with my own clinic in there. I just got to know about all this workshop through Instagram and I was readily about it. So I joined it and I've done it.
Okay. But the thing is कि there are lots of workshops.
Okay.
But why did you choose mission walk workshop?
No. There are lots of workshops are going on here and there. I know that. But mission walk is something different. I have never experienced such kind of rehab protocols or this kind of setup here. Not at all. Many workshops are going on there. Many clinics are running here and there. But that spirit, that setup, and that approach you are using is totally different from everyone else. That's why I decided to join this workshop.
Okay. So this is your second day all finished. Okay.
Yeah.
So day 1 and day 2, Dr. Sipra ma'am and Dr. Ravi sir has taught you all about the practical part, and Dr. Sipra ma'am has just presented her all the academic and theoretical part. So what was the teaching style that you have
No,
experienced?
that was great. All that notes and all that documentation, that protocols, and the way of teaching all that, the flow, the systematic approach that you used, whether it's theory part or practical part, that was amazing.
And please mention your work experience, please.
I have 5 years of experience in the field.
5
5 years.
5 years. Great. That is great. So what did you lack in 5 years of experience that you gained in this 2 days of workshop?
No, these are two different worlds.
Okay.
I must say.
Okay.
Those 5 years in the field, I was doing something else. That was not right rehab at all. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's not rehab at all.
Okay.
But you guys are doing the actual rehab. So I want to learn this and I want to explore the new area for me. So I'm here and I did this. I'm feeling great and I will do something with it. That all the knowledge, all the skills I gain here, it will make me go forward.
And what was the best part of this workshop? That this technique or this thing that is amazing, that I have never done this before.
The very first introduction of the rehab protocol, that approach, that fundamental skills development of protocol, the approach that you discussed earlier, that was something very new that we knew from the very first day of our colleges and in the bachelor, in the masters. But that way you taught that the approach that you used from the very first day, patients say to us that I should be standing, I should be walking, but the intermediate process and that steps which come in between the stages, that is critical, that I got to know very first time.
That sounds great. That you have learned a lot and you have gone through all the phases. And what are the things that you have been through all the spinal cord injury patient also?
Yeah, I have treated spinal cord injury patient, but I told you earlier,
Yes.
I was not doing a rehab at all. I was just doing some passive movements and stretching and strengthening, some basic exercises. I was not doing rehab at all. Now I will do rehab.
So are you satisfied with
I'm
all the
fully
techniques
satisfied
that
from
like crawling, because there are complete and incomplete injuries of SCI. So the crawling technique or the sitting with static and dynamic balancing and or the walking technique and the knee technique.
Every technique I just learned here is fantastic. It's going to work for years for me. I must say that I'm truly amazed and I'm truly happy that I joined this workshop.
So what will you suggest to our audience to?
Please, everyone, physios, if you want to learn neuro rehab, join Mission Walk.
So thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.